Merhaba, hoş geldiniz. Learn Turkish language. Here are some tips before learning a language. Fix your most suitable time in every day. No matter the time you are able to manage, but be focused on it. Try to be in a noise-free environment. Vocabulary. First, try to learn words as much as you can. There are no other shortcut way to learn a language. Maintain a separate notebook only for Turkish language. Whenever you practice, try to write it down, otherwise you will make mistakes with Turkish vowels, which will affect on your pronunciation as well. Try not to skip to learn for a single day. When you have learned so many useful words, then try to read and understand Turkish stories and articles. You may join group chat or make friends for practice. It's fun as well. This playlist is for English speakers, so you may follow all the videos one by one. For Hindi speakers, there is another playlist in the same channel. And if you are a Bengali speaker, please find another playlist in the same channel. What you will get in our channel: topic-wise vocabulary, useful word collections for a beginner with an example and related pictures. And what about grammar? We will guide you with tips and tricks to understand very easily. So don't worry at all. So let's start.